Normally, our iPhone can view apps or home screens in landscape or portrait mode. We can switch between the two modes by simply rotating the phone. But have you ever encountered such a situation that no matter how you rotate the phone, the screen does not change at all? This is not a serious problem, but it also affects our use of iPhone. But don't worry, you will find 4 methods in today's video. Method 1. Turn off display zoom. Before starting, please make sure that you have turned off Portrait Orientation Lock on iPhone. Just scroll down the Control Center and turn off Portrait Orientation Lock. If it doesn't work, let's go to check if the display zoom is enabled. Maybe you don't even remember turning this option on. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness. Then tap View under Display Zoom, click Check Standard and tap Set, then tap Use Standard to confirm. After restarting iPhone, your iPhone should get rotation again. Method 2. Check the app status. If your iPhone screen won't rotate in the specific app, that might be the app's issue. Firstly, let's check if the app crashing. Wipe up screen to exit app, and open it again. If it still doesn't work, maybe the app cannot be started normally due to some reasons. Anyway, let's reinstall it in the App Store. Then check if you have locked the screen rotate in the app settings. Method 3. Reset all settings. If the issue still exists, you can fix it by resetting all settings on iPhone. This will not erase any data on your iPhone but remove all of your settings like Wi-Fi connections, network settings, screen time password, or some bugs like the rotation issue. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings to reset all of your iPhone settings. After iPhone restarting, we can check if the screen rotation works well now. Method 4. Repair iOS system. If you have tried the above methods and still can't solve the problem, unfortunately, we need to consider whether there is a problem with the iPhone system. System errors can also cause iPhone won't rotate screens sometimes. To fix the system issue, here you can try the professional iOS system repair tool AnyFix to solve the issue in few clicks. AnyFix can save iOS devices from 150 plus issues, like iPhone stuck on restore screen, unable to install update iOS, no sound on iPhone. These minor problems may not be serious, but they will greatly affect our experience. But using AnyFix can easily solve various problems you encounter when using iPhone, and it requires no technology and only need few clicks. Just download it in the video description. Firstly, open AnyFix and connect your iPhone to computer. Then click System Repair on AnyFix. Here you can see various system issues are listed here. Choose Device Bug, then tap Start Now button. Then you need to select a repair mode according to your situation. Normally, standard repair supports the most common system issues and without data loss. Then AnyFix will prepare the matching firmware for your device. Click Download to continue the repair process. Wait for a while, the repair process will completed. After the iPhone restart, you can see the screen rotation is recovered to normal. Okay, here are the 4 methods to fix iPhone screen won't rotate issue. If you think these are helpful, please kindly leave your like and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.